Hey guys, it's King of 123 here, and Isaac Ramel. We're doing a double bike check of both of our bikes, and yeah. My bike it's got a Hyper tire, a tire off a Hyper bike, a Mongoose Mode 540. It's got Mongoose crank arms and crank set and stuff. It's got a Shadow Conspiracy sprocket. This is the chain that came on it. Bullet. Whatever, caps for my tubes, and then the seat's just a Mongoose seat, pretty curvy. Mongoose seat clamp, Odyssey, twisted Odyssey pedals, and then off of an old Mongoose that I had, a peg, silver peg, and then the stem is a Diamondback stem. It hasn't slipped on me yet. I got a Spitfire sticker, Mongoose handlebars, and then Mongoose forks, some ODI grips, softy grips, ODI bar ends, and that's my bike check. And then my friend's bike over here is a Haro frame
with Sunday bars, ODI short, soft grips. Hyper front rim, fit peg, Mongoose peg, Haro forks, Eastern stem, and then Haro seat, fit crank arms, and stolen Thermalite pedals, Mongoose Mode 540 sprocket, sealed bearings, and missing a Weeman back rim. And the original chain.
What about the hub?
Women.
What are the tires?
Diamondback.
Mongoose. Diamondback back tires, and if you want to see another video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment.
What's you see?
Now we're just gonna be doing some tricks, okay? I'm gonna do a foot jam, seat touch thing. Fail. Stop it. Stop it. Forward down. Where are my tires? Stop. Fail. Feel good about yourself?
No.
Good.